Hey, what's up you guys? I will be back on another video. Well, it's not another video really, it's my first. I am very nervous. And I will be trying my hardest. I'm going to be playing Roblox Jailbreak. And yeah, I'll see how that goes from there. And if you like Fortnite, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn these notifications on, and I will... You know what? Send me a friend request at Angelina Parker 55. And capital A, capital P, no spaces, no underscores. And follow me, and that would mean the world to me. Like, actually, the world. Like, legit. So, you just want to gain their trust. Let me just say I want to be in a YouTube video. Want to be on YouTube. You guys, I am literally just... Let's put that. You guys, I hope I am actually recording. Let me just go. Let's go. Yes, I am recording, and I will be playing this music.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I'm too fat today. I'll turn this down for you guys. Can Mr. Helicopter just please spawn? I guess Mr. Helicopter does not want to spawn today. I guess I could escape with the SUV. Same time, I just guessed off. Okay, I just want someone to get in. Don't know why. You guys, this is for making these videos for you. Well, video, of course. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And you guys, if you do want to be part of my channel, Roblox Legends, you little legends, I just want you out there just to subscribe, turn notifications on, like this vid, and let's begin. I think that could be a cop because there's just this dude. Where's the helicopter? Oh, that dude just said in chat. You guys, I'm just gonna hide this because I don't want any of you just spamming any requests. I can trust you guys, but it's better to be safe than sorry because some of you guys could just, watch my videos for the sake of it. Okay, I have just started a robbery, but at the same time I need to. You guys, you know what? I'm gonna trust you, little legends. Because, you little legends, why not trust you little legends? You are with me, right? Okay, so I just got my shotty out. Here's my shotgun. And yes, I do get Robux, but not too often. Come on, come on. Oh, and I get 3,000 cash in it instead of, one. Was it two? I don't know. I think it's one. But I actually get 3,000. And when someone literally just go in. Look at the damage that does. Well, look, come on, my money. Look, I need this money to hurry up, you guys. When I rob the jewelry store, I will end the video there for you guys. It's just I don't want to make this video too long for you to watch and too long for you to bear. Okay, you guys. 3, 2, 1. I am getting out of there. Ok. Just gonna say the C word. But I know some of you guys are pretty young out there. So, yeah. Let's see the C word. I've just successed the robbery. I got an 800 bounty. Can I get it to 1,000 at least? You guys, if I can get this to 1,000, I will send you guys a friend request if you're one of my fans. If you guys don't actually have Roblox, you don't have to download it. Just get a computer, get a tablet or something, a phone even. Just press on it. Okay, that's being logged up right now. And you guys can just, you know, just play it, make an account. That is actually not inappropriate. You guys, I think I might just call it a day. Yeah, and I don't want anyone to collect my bounty. So you guys, I just want to say something. Thank you guys ever so much for watching this. I do appreciate you watching this with me. And I do love you. You guys, just want to say, please subscribe to my channel. Please turn notifications on. Please like and share this video. And peace out. Oh yes, by the way, please just go ahead and send me as many friend requests and follow me. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See ya soon, my little legends. Bye, you guys.